Ever wondered how websites become alive? How interactive apps respond to your touch? Welcome to JavaScript. In just a few seconds, we'll cover its core concepts, from the basics to advanced topics. Ready for a rapid-fire learning sprint? Let's go. JavaScript is the interactive brain of the web, a multi-paradigm powerhouse supporting procedural, functional, and object-oriented styles. It's constantly evolving with ECMAScript. Data types. JavaScript has 7 primitives like string, number, boolean, null, undefined, symbol, and big int. They compare by value. But objects are non-primitive. They compare by reference. Think of them as complex containers. Variables: var, let, const. Var is function scoped and can be redeclared. Avoid it. Let is block scoped, can be reassigned but not redeclared. It's preferred for changing values. Const is also block scoped, cannot be reassigned or redeclared. Use it for values that shouldn't change. Control flow, if else for conditions. Switch for multiple options. Loops, for and while iterate over code blocks. Classic iterators. Modern iteration, for iterable objects, and array methods like for each and map for collections. Objects are key-value pairs, like a dictionary. Arrays are ordered lists. We've covered the absolute essentials, but how does JavaScript truly handle complex structures and asynchronous tasks? Stick around, it's about to get fascinating. JavaScript's object-oriented core is built on prototypal inheritance. Objects inherit features directly from other objects via the prototype chain. The class keyword? It's syntactic sugar over this prototype model, making OOP feel more familiar. OOP principles. Encapsulation bundles data and methods. Inheritance allows objects to acquire properties. Polymorphism means objects can take many forms, responding differently to the same method call. Abstraction hides complexity. Array methods. Push, pop, sort are mutating. They change the original array. But map, filter to sorted are non-mutating. They return a new array, leaving the original untouched. Asynchronous programming. JavaScript is single-threaded. Synchronous code blocks execution. Asynchronous code runs concurrently without blocking. Think network requests or timers. The event loop is the magic. It orchestrates the call stack, web APIs, and task queues to handle async operations. Async patterns evolve from messy callback hell to cleaner promises. The modern async await syntax makes asynchronous code look synchronous, dramatically improving readability. You're grasping some complex ideas. Now let's untangle JavaScript's trickiest quirks and unlock powerful modern features. The fun is just beginning. Hoisting. Declarations are lifted to the top of their scope during compilation. var variables are initialized undefined. Let and const are also hoisted but remain in a temporal dead zone until actual declaration, preventing early access. This keyword is dynamically bound. Its value depends entirely on how a function is called. Closures. A function remembers its lexical environment. It can access variables from its parent scope even after the parent function has finished executing. Destructuring. A powerful way to unpack values from arrays or properties from objects into distinct variables. Modern features. Arrow functions have a lexical this binding. They don't get their own this. The JavaScript module system uses import and export for organizing and sharing code across files. Clean code principles are vital. Prioritize readability, use meaningful names, and create small, single responsibility functions. Embrace immutability. Favor non-mutating methods and const to prevent unexpected side effects, and make your code more predictable. That's a wrap on this crash course. Our full JavaScript mastery course is currently under construction, completely updated with the most advanced technologies used by professionals in the real world. This isn't just an update, it's a complete overhaul. If you found this tutorial helpful, please smash that like button, share it with your fellow learners, and subscribe so you don't miss the full course launch. And before you go, let me know in the comments, what was your biggest JavaScript aha moment today? Happy coding!